My grandfather once delivered a speech to a bunch of 5-year-olds, including my mother, for a career day presentation. My grandfather, a rocket scientist, was the most anticipated speaker of the day, as all the little kids were excited to hear about the moon, spaceships, rockets, and outer space. However, when my grandfather began his presentation, a communal blank stare fell upon the faces of the little kids. He talked about things like the configuration of a chemical rocket engine, which consists of the combustion chamber, a propellant mass flow, the rate and the exhaust velocity, which has a correlation factor of A for non-axial flow, which is due to the nozzle divergence angle. What my grandfather failed to do, at the horror of my mother, was take into account that 5-year-olds not only couldn't understand what he was saying, but didn't even have the mental capacity to comprehend. He didn't adapt to his speaking audience. Therefore, the speech was lost on them. As you can see, audience adaptation is a major factor when giving successful speeches. As a public speaking instructor for at least 3 years now, I have come to stress about the importance of audience adaptation. So today, I'm going to inform you about audience adaptation in public speaking situations. First, I'm going to talk about audience demographics. Second, I'm going to talk about audience dynamics, which include attitudes and beliefs. Third, I'm going to talk about communication situations, which means the time and the place. And fourth, I'm going to talk about adaptation strategies that you can do to successfully adapt